Hello everyone. I'm gonna be replacing the struts and the strut tower mounts on my girlfriend's Honda Civic. And here we have the mounts from L.Y.S.i and the struts, the Connie struts from Tyrant. So this is what the parts look like. This is the mount with the bearing. So this will let the strut turn on this, and this is gonna be a lot more reliable and will last longer than the stock style of mount. Oh, I got these from TireRack.com. So I got these Connie street shocks for my girlfriend's Honda Civic because it's been lowered 2 inches and the struts won't work with the lowering springs it has on. So I looked up the best I could find, and these are the ones that the best fit for her car. So hopefully this changes the ride a lot, and also this is gonna be replacing the worn out struts anyway. So hopefully this is worth it. Well, the strut's really bad. All the oil leaked out. When I took it off the car, the spring came off of it. I didn't have the compressor or anything. So there is a big difference. So hopefully this helps a lot. This one's all broken, and I think it was this that was making all kinds of noise when the suspension was compressing and rebounding. It's a big difference. all finished. I just gotta drop the car down and go on a test drive some other day because it's pretty late already.